Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered about the buzz surrounding plant-based diets, stick around because today, I'm diving deep into the science, benefits, and a few common myths that might just surprise you. Quote. What is a plant-based diet? First things first. What exactly is a plant-based diet? In simple terms, it focuses on foods derived from plants. This isn't just about being vegetarian or vegan. It's about prioritizing fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains while minimizing animal products. But why should we consider making this shift? Quote. The health benefits. The benefits are compelling. Studies have shown that a well-planned plant-based diet can reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and even help in managing type 2 diabetes. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that can enhance your overall vitality. But that's not all. Let's talk about the weight loss trends because I know that is a hot topic for many. Quote. Weight loss and plant-based diets. People often report significant weight loss when switching to a plant-based diet. The reason? Plant foods tend to be fewer in calories yet high in fiber, which means you can eat more and feel fuller for longer. Sounds great, right? But hang tight, because I need to highlight something really important. The myths. Let's bust a few common myths. Myth number 1. You can't get enough protein on a plant-based diet. This is a huge misconception. Foods like lentils, quinoa, chickpeas, and even almonds pack a protein punch. Myth number 2. Plant-based diets are all about salads. Not true. You can whip up hearty stews, burgers made from beans, and delightful plant-based desserts. It's a whole world of flavor. Call to action. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of exploring a more plant-focused lifestyle, I encourage you to start small. Maybe try a Meatless Monday, or experiment with some tasty plant recipes. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite plant-based meal? Until next time, stay inspired and keep cooking.